What's up, everybody? Homeschool Dad here with another homeschooling nutrition smoothie. You know I make these all the time, and we're going to get into it. Okay, the environment. Let's talk about the environment. It's very, very toxic. So you want to get these dark green leafy vegetables in your system. It has copper in it. It has carbon in it. You know, it has iron in there. All right. So you want to make sure you get this stuff in the kids' system. Okay, it's very, very important, along with their diet. Okay. Please get them a smoothie. All right, let's get started. Okay, we got the spring mix. That's kale, chard, and spinach. All right, organic blueberries. Okay, we got the organic mango lemonade. This is Zakai's request right here. All right, organic mango lemonade. All right, I already poured the lemonade in there. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and we just gonna start it up right now. All right, close him up. Oh, we forgot the banana, organic. Alright guys, let's taste it and see how it tastes, alright? We're gonna see how this bad boy tastes. Tastes good. I can taste the mango and I can taste that lemonade too as well. And I can taste the blueberries. This is good. It's good stuff right here. All right, that's it, guys. That's it. All you got to simply do is push the rewind button. Just understand all the nutritional value of this smoothie. It's a very simple smoothie, but I mean, it's a lot of nutrition here, man. You got to understand. You got the kale, chard, and spinach. Look up the benefits of kale. Look up the benefits of chard, spinach. Okay. Look up the benefits of organic blueberries. I mean, I know off the back that's a brain food. That's something that I feed Zakai all the time for his homeschooling. All right, now remember, I have a lot of experience making smoothies. It's over what, 20 years, because I have 4 kids. Zakai's my 4th kid. All right, so he's getting the benefits of all these smoothies. All right, it's very important that you get these dark green leafy vegetables in the kids' system. I can't stress that enough. Okay, especially in today's time, I can't stress it enough. Get it in their system, guys. Do me a favor, tell a friend about me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, you know what I'm saying? Definitely tell a friend about me, because it's something that they can actually use, you know, hit the play button, and they can make this stuff for their kid for homeschool, all right? With that, I am the Homeschool Dad. I will see you on the next video tip.